I am Aisali and you are watching Saiban News HD. Now we are adding some important news.
Adding news from Sialkot. As per Sialkot Chamber of Commerce and Industry, a progress review meeting of the Business Facilitation Center BFC Sialkot was held at the Deputy Commissioner's office, Sialkot. The meeting was presided over by the Honorable Deputy Commissioner Ms. Sabaskar, Additional Deputy Commissioner General Syed Ayub Bukhari, and Vice President Sialkot Chamber of Commerce and Industry Mr. Umar Khalid were present among other notable attendees. The session was joined by departmental representatives from departments affiliated with the BFC Sialkot. Manager BFC Mr. Talha Sulehdia delivered a comprehensive presentation outlining the performance of BFC Sialkot for the period of March to May 2025. He highlighted that BFC Sialkot, an initiative under the Punjab Board of Investment and Trade, PBIT and Industries, Commerce and Investment Department, ICI and CED, continues to function as a one-stop solution for investors and citizens alike. Since its inauguration on January 11, 2024, the center has aimed at reducing bureaucratic hurdles and optimizing processes to promote business growth. During the review period, the center processed 1,158 RLCO registration, license certificates and other permits applications, achieving a 99% accomplishment ratio with only 34 applicants currently in progress. A total of 7,516 citizens visited the center, while 2,055 expert consultations were facilitated. Top demanded RLCOs and departmental statistics were also shared, emphasizing BFC Sialkot's leading role in service delivery among provincial BFCs. In conclusion, the worthy Deputy Commissioner appreciated the efforts of all stakeholders and distributed appreciation letter to top-performing departments and personnel, acknowledging their contributions to public service and investment facilitation.
For more updates, connect with Saiban News HD.